everyone, welcome to another video. So today we're going to do sets. These are all the very basic questions involving sets. So again, I have a few sets here. I got universal, I got P, I got R, I got S. So one of the most important things in sets is that you need to actually write down the numbers. So I think this one is quite clear cut. It's 1 to 10, excluding 10, including 1. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 1 to 9. So this one I won't write this down, but starting from the rest I will start writing it down. So x is a prime number, so it's going to be between this range 2, 3, 5, 7. 8 cannot, 9 cannot, and 10 is not included anyway. So this is the P. And then for R is perfect square, so it's 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, nothing else. And then multiples of 3 is 3, 6, 9. So by writing all this down, it makes answering the question a lot easier. Do not be lazy about this. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is, okay, I want R union S. So it's R union S. So basically all this number combined together. So it's 1, 3, 4, 6, 9 here. You don't write 2 nines. In the sets must always have every number can only appear once. Okay, so next thing is P intersect R prime. So you see R prime we don't have, so we need to get R prime out. So R prime is basically anything that is not this number. Okay, so what I do is I count starting from 1 to 9. So 1, nope. 2, 2. 3, here. 4, don't have. And 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, don't have. So I'm counting from 1 to 9. Anything that's here, I don't put here, because so it should be the so-called negative of it, so to speak. Okay, so R prime is here. So now let's take a look. I want P intersect R prime. So P will be here. So anything between these two that's the same is the answer. So 2 repeats, 3 repeats, 5 repeats. So 7 also repeats. So this is the 4 numbers. Okay. Next, the number of elements in the set P union S. So number of elements, it can be also written as this. This is an N and bracket the thing. So this is number of elements, not the elements, number of elements. So P union S, so it will be this and this. Okay, P union S, so it's basically these two add together all the way. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 items. So that's the answer. Now let's look at the next question. This will be a shading question. So you can see that for here I want A union B prime. So I want everything except A union B. So A union B is here. So I don't want all this. I shade the rest. So that's why it's like that. Okay. Next. So this will be more difficult because I'm giving you the shaded version, and you need to give me the notation. This is actually quite difficult, but in this case luckily it's not too bad. So I always try union first. If I can add things together, that's the easiest. So I have two things I need to add together, these two shaded part. So this is obviously K, and then what is this? So this is actually anything that is outside of F. That's why it's K union F, and that's how you do it. So hope you learned something. Thank you and bye bye.